Adventurers, welcome. Prepare yourself for the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome, a car that will fundamentally alter your perspective on travel. This is a mobile microhome made for independence and efficiency, not merely a van. Its exterior features a unique and modern design, with a 4x4 option for modest off-grid excursions and bright LED lighting for maximum visibility. Its frame is extremely light and small. The vehicle's highly efficient hybrid drivetrain provides reliable performance and fuel efficiency. This powertrain most likely consists of a mild hybrid system coupled with a tiny displacement gasoline engine. It seamlessly blends Suzuki's adventurous attitude with its practicality. You notice right once that the dashboard is ergonomic and well-designed. All of the controls are easily accessible, and it has excellent visibility despite its small size. The data of the car is clearly displayed on a digital instrument panel. Thanks to wireless smartphone connectivity options like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the infotainment touchscreen acts as your control center and keeps you engaged and connected during every trip. The 2026 Suzuki Motorhome's interior is a stunning illustration of spatial design. In order to maximize usefulness without giving the impression that the space is small, every square inch has been thoughtfully planned. It is ideal for a nomadic existence because the majority of its interior is made of lightweight, strong, and easily cleaned materials. The modular design makes it simple to switch up the configuration. It may be used as a comfortable eating area, a professional office, or a place to unwind with a luxurious fold-out sofa. No matter where your travels take you, the large windows and ambient LED lighting provide a cozy and welcoming ambience that will make you feel at home. The 2026 Suzuki Motorhome's bedroom compartment becomes your personal haven at night. The seating section may be converted into a cozy bed for 1 or 2 people thanks to an inventive convertible bed system. A pop-up roof, which adds an extra sleeping space above with screen windows for optimal ventilation, is an option for some variations. After a long day of touring, an ergonomic mattress guarantees a restful night's sleep. The 2026 Suzuki Motorhome's bathroom is shrewdly constructed to continue working in a compact area. A tiny wet bath, which is a waterproof space with a sink, toilet, and shower, is usually included. Small basins and handheld showers are available, as are portable toilets or easy-to-maintain cassette toilets. By employing materials that dry quickly and are easy to clean, the straightforward yet practical design makes sure you stay fresh while driving. The kitchen of the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome is quite practical for its compact size. Included are a small sink with a water faucet, a portable stove, perhaps driven by a tiny gas burner or electric induction, and an energy-efficient mini-fridge for storing items. The intelligently built closets and storage drawers allow you to keep your cookware and utensils without taking up much room. By using this kitchen to produce everything from basic to delectable dishes, you can transform any rest area into your own restaurant.